Walk it round and pull it down my hair. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my video. Thanks for my family, thanks for joining my family. I'm going to be doing a brief explanation today on how to use the Chebe powder and Karkar oil on a natural hair. So I've got Karkar oil here. It's Karkar oil. It's an original Karkar oil, and the ingredients we have there include sesame seed, herbs, umra, beeswax, and pure. And I've got my Chebe powder. This is the powder. It's a Chadian powder which helps for it helps in hair growth, and it's made with 100% natural herbs and seed and resins from, and it's majorly used for African kinky hairs, especially if you have 4B hairs like me. I've been doing the treatment. You can see how full my hair is becoming. Wow, I can really see the growth of my hair. So I sell this. If you want to buy or if you're interested in buying, just contact me, send me a message or tell me you're interested. I'm going to get across to you if you're in the UK. I do delivery all over the UK. So let's do a quick description of how to use this powder and oil. I've got other packages here. You can see I've got a lot. So if you are interested in buying this, I would definitely. Then I have the shea cocoa hair butter. This is a hair butter which is also good for all hair types, and it's 100% natural. It's also made with herbs, seed, and resin for African kinky hair. You can see. Let's have a look. Smells nice. So this is the hair butter that you use. That's after you've applied the Chebe powder and the oil. You're going to after washing the stuff out, then you apply the hair butter to the scalp also. So all these are what will help your hair to grow as long as possible. So now I have my bowl here. This is an empty bowl that I'm going to be using. This is the Chebe powder, but because I've been using this one, so I'm going to finish using this quantity. So what you do is you pour your Chebe powder. That's the powder. You pour that in, and you can see you can just use any quantity depending on how full your hair is. But because my hair is very full, I'm going to be using this much. If your hair is not that very full, you might not use as much as this. So I'm going to be using one of the Karkar oil. You don't need to finish using everything. So I'm going to open up and apply some Karkar oil. So you can see I'm going to give it a good mix. So I'll put that aside. So when this is mixed properly, I can actually mix it with my hand here. When I get the consistency I want, you can add more oil if it's too thick for you. But you can see this is just like a consistency. I might not be able to bend it too much. This is the consistency I want. So when I finish that, I could take off my band and application starts to my hair. So what you do is you divide your hair into. What I do majorly is I divide my hair. My hair into 4 equal parts. You can see. So I'm going to start applying the Chebe powder and Karkar oil to my hair gradually in bits. So what I do is I take this off, and this is like, and I walk it round and pull it down my hair. Because you focus on the scalp. apply from root to tip on damp hair. So you can actually damp your hair before you start it, or just leave it, or you put it directly on it. But anyway, anyone that you like, either damp hair, you can apply it to a damp hair or to a dry hair, because then you damp it afterwards. So quickly, it's all good. So this is done. I'm up to the back. Color is not so nice, but if you this is the remaining, so just massage it into my scalp. So try and massage this into your scalp, especially if you're trying to grow your front hair. I just try to massage it into my scalp, and applied the Chebe powder and Karkar oil. So I'm going to be leaving my hair like this for the next 2 to 3 days, or I can, if you can wash it off if you want immediately, or you can leave it as long as you want. I think the longer it stays, the better. So what I just do is I apply my shower cap to promote some heat around my hair. So this is like going to stay on my hair as long as I wish, and I'm going to wash it off later on and apply my shea hair butter. This shea hair butter is going to help, is also help in hair growth. I've really seen massive differences in my hair since I started using the Chebe powder and Karkar oil treatment. If you desire a very long hair, especially if you have a 4C hair or a 4B hair, this is the solution for you. Contact me today to order your Chebe powder and your Karkar oil for affordable price. This is just what you need. This is what your hair needs. This is the treatment and the vitamins your hair needs. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to be showing you some growth challenge and how this Karkar oil and Chebe powder has promoted my hair. You can see the powder, the oil, and the shea cocoa butter. So these are the 3 things you need for your hair to grow. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching my video.